Look at that. I'll be there. And look at that. Yeah, we're going. So finally we're out and about. Second to the last day. Yeah. Ooh, nice food. Yep. All days. There he is again. How you going, mate? Yep, we're here. Gold Coast. Yeah. Hey guys, we're here at Usok. And we're buying halo-halo and yampo, and Laura's here. So there's no vlog for today, so that's it. I don't know what's we're gonna do, but yeah, that's it. Please. So this may conclude our 5 days, 4 nights here. Yeah, staycation. So we're having this and that and burger again for today. A bit of beer, but that's it.
100 pa lang.
So apparently I'm back here in Melbourne, and yeah, I got busy. I did finish what I started, and I was working also. I did a wedding, which was a bit stressful, but it's all fine. But right now, yeah, I'm gonna finish what's left of the videos. There's not much of the videos from the holidays at Queensland, but it is what it is. So enjoy, guys. Hopefully we got better days ahead. So I said the vlog's gonna be up to that time I recorded my FX3 footage, but no, we're heading to the car wash. I don't know if I'm gonna film myself, but we're gonna film myself, I think. Yes. And yeah, I'm on my winter old hobo clothes, and no judgment. I'm gonna head there now. So yes, car wash. Yeah, let's do this. Car wash. Just done with the wash. Yeah, I still have some water droplets. I want to wipe them off, but I need to get the laundry that I dried off there. So, heading there now. Marami siya video eh. Hindi siya interesting, but who cares? Yeah.